David Rudisha became the first athlete to set a new world record on the track at London 2012 as he won 800 million gold at the Olympic Stadium. The 23-year-old Kenyan stormed his debut Olympic final to become the first man inside 1 minute 41 seconds, clocking 1:40.91. Botswana's Nigel Amos took silver, with fellow teenager Timothy Kitim in third. British runner Andrew Osagi was in 8th place but still clocked a personal best of 1:43.77. Reigning world champion Rudisha led from the off, setting an opening lap of 49.28 seconds, and stormed further clear down the back straight. With the rest of the field dragged along by his pace, only Abukate Kaki in 7th failed to record a personal best.